Welcome back. It's been a while. Yeah, and Canada finally got the Mavic Air 2. I haven't flown it yet. I just took it out of the box. I got the combo pack. And I shout out to Parrot, Hubson, and Femi for giving me the funds to do so, because I sold all my Femis and Xenos and Parrot, except for the Afew. I still have that and the Mini. Okay, so here you can see you have the Mini and I have the Mavic Air 2. It took a while to get to Canada, but DJI store said they were going to ship them on the 14th, and they did, and I got it on the 19th, which is pretty good. So I haven't flown it yet. I've seen tons and tons of videos out there about first flights and maiden voyages, and this is a video, and we know it's a DJI product. We know it's going to have good quality. We know it's going to fly great. We know the quality of the video is going to be great. The app is continually expanding and getting better. All that aside, my issue is that Android is usually a second thought for DJI. It's made for iOS. It comes with the USB-C cable already installed. So as soon as I heard it was a USB-C, I started to worry, because all the drones I've had this type of connection, this right angle connection where the wire is very, very close to the end. So the right angle isn't deep enough to fit in my phone. So where's my phone? Here's my phone. It's a Galaxy S7 with a really thick case. So that port there is fairly deep. Fortunately, it does fit. And I have it coming out of the left side. Left side because I can attach my phone and I can attach my tablet. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So, everybody talks about how it flies, everything. I'm going to go the other way. What could have they done better? What do you have to do before you can fly it for Android? Okay, you plug it in, updates, you go through all that mess, you calibrate IMU, compass, gimbal, all that kind of stuff. Let's start with the controller. It's a better design than the clamshell from the Mini. I hate that. I hate that controller. Once I got the accessories I needed, it was a lot better. But out of the box, I didn't like the controller. This one, it's a lot better on first glance. Okay, I like this idea. I like it when it's in my hands like this. See, I've got a nice grip. But where's my fingers? Where's my thumbs? They're above. That's where I want the control. I have to come down and see, I'm 2 fingers are free. So if you get any weight, like a tablet on the top, you're going to be using excess force on the controller sticks. That's the only, it's a minor issue, but yeah, it's made for small hands, I think, very small hands. But anyway, USB-C, it only just fits in, so I'm going to get a 12-inch, so I don't have to worry about it, from USB-C to micro USB. So that's my one gripe about this. The other one is when you put your phone in, so you put your phone into the controller, and it does fit very well. It fits very well. See, with the full case, I like the little bumps on the edges here that hold it in, like a little, and the same as up here. Okay, it holds it in very well. But what do you see there? It's straight up and down. So if you have to hold it to see the screen, you basically have to hold it like this, so your antennas are pointing up, not out. So if you go out, you're going to lose connection about 800 meters, okay, until you go like that. It's very directional. It's more directional than the other antennas. Okay, so you've got to point down. So you're going to lose your screen. So what I want to do is turn that screen that way. How do we do that? Well, I'm going to, up here somewhere, put a schematic of what I made. And the diagram is there, it tells you all about it, how to make it. And this is what it is, okay? I just have a cheap $2 from AliExpress tripod mount phone holder. And it's one of those, okay? Then a piece of MDF. And if you can see there, there's another little piece of MDF there, like a block. And it's just got a bolt on the back. I know it's a metal bolt. Is it going to interfere? I don't know. If it does, I'll have to find out another way. But right now it's a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch bolt. Goes right in the back, and it wedges like that, just like the schematic there. Okay. And the back here, I've shaved a little groove out because the groove that's in the controller fits there. Okay, so let's put this onto, first I'll put it on the phone. Okay, so I have my phone there, and it's about in the middle. There we go. There we go. Okay. Then I attach that to the controller. So I hook it in, and I pull up and over. And I check to see if everything is in there. Everything is in there. That's good. Great. Okay, so now, what do I have? It's facing me more. Okay, so when I'm like this, I can see it. Okay, and I'm pointing more towards where the actual drone is. So that's a lot better. And my cable still fits here. Actually, it's like that, but it still fits. Very good. Now, what if you have a tablet? Well, this brought me back to the days of the afew. And if you remember, my broccoli band solution for the tablet was 2 broccoli bands and a piece of cord. How does that work with this? Well, here's your average 8-inch tablet. This is a Tech Class Pro 90. So we put 1 band on here, 1 band on the other side. Okay, and we have this here. So we put this into the controller, into the holes, and we go down, and we hook it over like that, and that fits into there, and we have our controller, and it's already on a nice little angle. You know, it's already on a little angle there, so it's pretty good, and I can work with it. I can move it. I can work. It's very good, very sturdy. No problem at all. Okay, so that's how that works. So that's going to be a lot better. On this sort of thing, with the schematic, the only change I would do if I was making another one, I would make this hole another, or these ends here, another 1/4 inch longer. Okay, which gives you a little bit more stretch, or maybe make the whole thing a 1/2 inch wider, and gives the antennas a bit more of a grip. Okay, but other than that, that's a lot better than what came out. So we've got the Mavic Air 2, hasn't even been flown yet, and I don't even have an SD card in. It's got 8 gigs on board. I'll probably use that for a while because I'm not going to be recording 4K. I'll be recording 1080p and all that kind of stuff. So right out of the bag, it's the combo kit. There, combo kit. Came with all the accessories. Is it worth $200 US more? I don't think so. Because really all you're getting of any value is the 2 batteries extra. That's all you're getting. I'd rather buy 1 extra battery and an extra case, or a good case. The case that comes with it, once you take everything out of it, you can't get everything back in. Okay, so AliExpress has a great case. It's $24, $24 Canadian, and it fits everything perfectly. It fits your 3 batteries, fits your Mavic Air 2, fits your controller, fits your power adapter, fits everything. So I'll probably go that route. But the extra $200 for 2 batteries, ND filters that I'll never use, the case is no good, really. The USB support charger, or whatever it is, I'll never use that. The multi-charging block, brick, whatever, it's flimsy and I don't even want to use it. So out of all that, I'd probably end up, I'd say to people, buy an extra battery separately and go and get a good case. And you'll be the same amount of money and you'll be much happier. On another note, is the Mavic Air 2 worth almost combo kit $1,000 US? That's the big question. Is it worth twice as much as the Mavic Mini? Really have a hard time with that. I'm on the fence. I'm leaning toward no, it's not. Okay, if you're first time into drones and you're just doing it for going on holidays and you're just going to have fun, I'd stay with the Mini. If you want to step it up a little bit but you're not into really taking serious photos or doing any of that stuff, the FEMI X8 SE 2020 is another great option. If you like tinkering with stuff and playing around with stuff and learning to fly more and all that kind of stuff, then the Xeno 2 isn't a bad option. Although the Xeno 1 is probably better. But that's another issue completely. But so now I've got my Mavic Air 2 ready to go. It's all charged up, updated, no problems. We're going to use it with the tablet, use it with the phone. I may make another one. This is just a prototype, but I'll tweak it a little bit and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, and I'll get this thing in the air and we'll get some video, and I'll probably have some more tweaks and tips for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.